Good Labor Day, everybody. My name is Robert Fry. I'm a lead forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in New Orleans, Baton Rouge. Located in Slidell, I'll be completing your weekly weather briefing for today, Monday, September 2nd, 2024. So let's get started. So, situation overview, lower rain chances today and Tuesday, and inversely, as the rain chances go down, the temperatures are going to go up. So we're looking at a much warmer day today. Generally talking, low to mid 90s. Heat index values, they're going to be up there, unfortunately, as well. We'll get into that. Tropics are heating up, as they should this time of year. I mean, climatologically speaking, we are nearing peak season. So we've got three areas that are being monitored. We'll cover that. And finally, toward mid to late week, we will have those rain and storm chances increasing again, with perhaps some localized flooding. But at least there's going to be a little bit of drought relief from that. So again, it is Labor Day, and the main bullet point today is it's going to be hot. We do have a very small chance of showers and thunderstorms out there. Those will probably be on the isolated side later this afternoon. Generally less than 40% chance of rain for today. The main story today will definitely be the heat, as temperatures warm again, 92 to 96 degrees out there this afternoon, with those heat index values, those feels like temperatures right around 105 or so. So if you have outdoor plans, be mindful, it's going to be hot. All right, so taking a look at the tropical weather outlook, again, NHC is looking at three areas of disturbed weather. One closer to home here across the northwest Gulf has a 10% chance of development in the next 10 days. Overall, the impacts from this disturbance, regardless if it utilizes that 10% and develops into something, we're still going to get some rain. We're going to get some rain as deep tropical moisture starts interacting with the cold front that's coming down from the north. That is kind of the main focus in terms of tropical weather outlook that we're honed in on at this point. There is another wave that is approaching the Windward Islands right now in the Lesser Antilles. That has a 40% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone over the next 7 days as it continues to move westward across the central and western Caribbean, and eventually perhaps into the southern Gulf in about 5 to 7 days. All right, so it's been dry, it's been hot. So far the last month and a half or so, we've had very little rain, minus the rain that we got over the last week or so. Because of that, the entire area is either in a D0 abnormally dry category or a D1 moderate drought category. That would be mostly along along and west of the I-55 corridor, north of the 1012 corridor. So those areas are in more moderate drought. Also, extreme southeastern part of Mississippi there across southern Jackson County is also in a moderate drought. So we're going to get some relief, as we will see in the next slide. So day 3 through 7 hazard outlook. As you see, there is a hazard outlook for southeast Louisiana, South Mississippi for heavy rainfall, generally talking between September 3rd through September the 5th. Again, that deep tropical moisture from the disturbance there in the northwest Gulf is going to interact with the cold front that's moving southward, and it's really going to wring out that moisture as it moves south. So we're looking at possibly some heavy rainfall with more numerous scattered to more numerous showers and thunderstorms out there coming up from generally September 3rd through the 5th. So summary of impacts, just to lay it all out here again. Lower rain chances again today and tomorrow. Hot conditions again inversely as those chances of precip drop, those temperatures are going to increase. So and that's what we're going to see today and tomorrow. Again, those heat index values, those feel like temperatures are probably going to be around 105, unfortunately. So again, if you're outside today, be mindful of that. Tropics are heating up. Again, there are those three areas that are being monitored for potential development. Right now, they all have a low to medium potential to develop, but we'll continue to watch that, especially considering the calendar suggests that we are very close to peak season now. Rain and storm chances increase later this week as a cold front again moves southward. Localized flooding will be possible, but the good news there is there will be some additional drought relief with that feature. So, take the good for the bad. It's going to be wet. It's going to be localized flooding potential there, especially in those poor drainage urbanized areas. But at least, our lawns get a decent drink of water from this. So that's all I have for you today. As always, like us on Facebook, follow us on X, reach out to us if you have any questions, comments, concerns. We'll be happy to field those. Otherwise, have a terrific Labor Day and have a great week.